Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how deviled eggs function in Islands Roblox. First, understand that these are unique items, not crafted. They offer a significant advantage for resource gathering. We will cover what they do, how to acquire them, and the best ways to use them to boost your in-game progress. Get ready to optimize your mining strategy with this helpful item. When you consume a deviled egg in Islands, you immediately receive a powerful buff. Specifically, your mining drop yield increases by 25%. This means you will collect more ore and other valuable materials from each block you mine. Remember, this effect is not permanent, so plan to use your deviled eggs when you are ready for intensive mining sessions to maximize your gains. Unlike many other items in Islands, deviled eggs are not something you can craft at a workbench or cooking station. Instead, players usually obtain them by trading with others. You can often find them listed on community trading platforms like Tradery or by visiting in-game trading areas. Keep an eye out for good deals to add these valuable consumables to your inventory. To get the most out of your deviled eggs, activate them just before you start mining high-value resources like rare ores or gems. Consider stacking this bonus with other temporary buffs. You might have to amplify your resource collection even further. Always be aware of how many you have and check trading platforms regularly to acquire more or sell any extras you might find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.